In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up custom fields in HubSpot, which can really help tailor your CRM to better meet your specific business needs. This process is simple and can be completed in a few minutes. So, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to HubSpot by typing HubSpot into Google Search. Once you see the HubSpot website in the search results, click on the link to enter. At the top right corner of the HubSpot homepage, you'll find the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on it. Now, on the Sign In page, you're presented with a few options. If you have multiple login methods displayed, click on the Classic Login option. This is a straightforward method if you want to use your credentials. If you prefer using other authentication options like Google, Microsoft, Apple, or a single sign-on (SSO), you can choose the one that suits you best. Logging in this way can often save you a bit of time. Upon successfully signing in, direct your attention to the top right side of your screen. There, you'll see the settings icon, which typically looks like a gear. Select that icon to continue to the next step. Now, in the Settings menu, you will need to scroll down until you find the section labeled Data Management. Under this section, click on Properties. You're now in the Properties section, which is where you can manage your existing fields and create new custom ones. Look for the Create Property button and go ahead and click it to begin setting up a new custom field. When you hit Create Property, you'll be prompted to fill in some information about the new field you're adding. This is where you'll define what your custom field will do and how it will function within HubSpot. You'll need to select a field type, which is a critical step because it determines the kind of input that the field will accept. Click on the Field Type drop-down menu and choose the one that best fits your needs, whether that's a text field, a drop-down select, a date field, and so forth. Don't worry if you're not entirely sure at first. HubSpot provides descriptions for each type to help you decide. Once you've chosen your field type, proceed to fill out any additional information specific to that type. Accuracy is key here, since the way you configure this information will impact how it shows up and operates in your databases. After everything is filled out to your satisfaction, there's just one last step. Click that final Create button. This saves your custom field and integrates it into your database, ready to be used in your workflows, data entry, or reporting. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a custom field in HubSpot, enhancing your CRM's ability to capture and utilize data specific to your business needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.